Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making loaded baked beans. I'll be starting off the recipe by browning up a 14-ounce package of kielbasa. Once the kielbasa has a good amount of caramelization on it, I'll go ahead and remove it from the pan to a bowl I have waiting here on the side. And I'll move on to browning up 1 pound of ground pork. After about 5 minutes, the pork has browned all the way through, and I'll go ahead and remove it and place it in the same bowl with the kielbasa. I'm now ready to move on to sauteing the vegetables, and I'll be doing that in 2 tablespoons of melted bacon fat. In here I have 1 cup of diced Vidalia onions, a half of a cup of diced red bell pepper, and 1 cup of diced green bell pepper. Once the onions have turned translucent, I'll add the meat back in, along with 12 ounces of chopped cooked bacon, 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained, 1 28-ounce can of baked beans, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 2/3 cup of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a half of a cup of packed dark brown sugar, and then finally I've got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half of a teaspoon of salt. Once this is heated through, it can go into a 350-degree oven where it's going to bake uncovered for 40 minutes. When the baked beans came out of the oven, I did allow them to set out for about 10 minutes just to cool down a little bit, and now all I have left to do is try them out. I will say they smell really good. Can't wait to try them. This is an excellent little baked bean dish. It's got tons of flavor in here. I get the smokiness from the barbecue sauce and the bacon. There's a little bit of heat also from that barbecue sauce and the cayenne pepper, but nothing that's going to blow your head off. Just a nice little warming sensation in the mouth. Overall, I really like this, and I know my family's going to love it. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.